The Rubik's Cube. It looks simple, just twist and turn, but getting all the colors to line up, that's the challenge. Many people try, few succeed, but don't worry, you can solve it. With practice and the right steps, you'll be a Rubik's Cube master in no time. First, get to know the cube. It has 6 faces, each with 9 colored squares. There are center pieces, edge pieces, and corner pieces. Each piece moves when you turn aside. The goal is to get each face with one solid color. Now let's start solving. Our first goal is the white cross. This is the foundation of solving the Rubik's Cube and sets the stage for the rest of the puzzle. Find the white centerpiece, keep that on top. This will be your reference point as you work through the next steps. Now look for the edge pieces with white on them. These pieces are crucial as they will form the cross around the white center. We need to put them around the white center. This step requires patience and precision. See an edge with white? This is what you need to focus on next. Turn the cube until that edge is on the bottom layer. This makes it easier to maneuver the piece into the correct position. Now turn the bottom layer until the white square on the edge lines up with its color on the center. This alignment is key to forming the cross. For example, a white and blue edge piece should line up with the blue center. This ensures that the cross is correctly oriented. Once lined up, turn the face with the white square on the edge 180 degrees. This move locks the piece into place. Now the white square is on top, connected to the white center. You are one step closer to completing the cross. Do this for all 4 white edges. Once all are in place, you will have successfully conquered the white cross, setting a solid foundation for solving the rest of the cube. The white cross is complete. Now let's add the white corner pieces to finish the top layer. This is where it gets a little trickier, but don't worry, we have a special move. It's called an algorithm. This algorithm is 4 turns RU. Find a corner piece with white. Position it above the spot where it needs to go on the white layer. Make sure the white sticker is facing the side. Now do the algorithm RU. The corner should be in place. Sometimes you might need to do the algorithm a few times to get it right. Section 4, solving the middle layer. With the white layer done, we move to the middle. This is where things start to get a bit more challenging, but don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. The goal here is to put the edge pieces in their places without messing up the white layer. This requires a bit of finesse and understanding of the cube's mechanics. Find an edge piece on the top layer that doesn't have yellow on it. This is crucial because the yellow pieces belong to the top layer, which we'll solve later. Turn the top layer until that edge lines up with its matching center color on the middle layer. This alignment is key to ensuring the piece fits perfectly into its slot. Now, depending on which side the edge needs to go, you'll use a combination of turns. These turns are part of specific algorithms designed to move pieces without disrupting the solved parts of the cube. These will involve moving the edge piece to the bottom layer and then back up using the RU algorithm. This algorithm is fundamental and will be used frequently. It might sound complicated, but with practice, it will become second nature. Keep practicing these steps, and soon you'll be solving the middle layer with ease and confidence. Section 5. Tackling the yellow layer, the final challenge. This is where all your hard work pays off. Now we only have to solve the yellow face. This is the last step to complete the cube. First, we'll make a yellow cross on top. This is crucial for aligning the yellow pieces correctly. Then we'll put the yellow corners in the right spots. This step requires careful attention to detail. Finally, we'll turn the corners until all sides are one color. This is the moment of truth. There are a few algorithms to learn for this stage. These algorithms are essential for solving the yellow layer efficiently. Don't worry if you don't get them right away. Practice makes perfect. Keep trying and you'll get the hang of it. And there you have it. You've solved the Rubik's Cube. It's a great feeling, isn't it? You've solved the Rubik's Cube. Remember, practice is key. The more you practice, the faster and more efficient you'll become. Don't get discouraged if you don't get it on the first try. Everyone struggles at first, but persistence pays off. Keep practicing, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you improve. Each attempt brings you closer to mastery. There are even more advanced techniques and algorithms to learn if you want to get faster. Happy cubing! The journey doesn't end here, it only gets more exciting.